Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video is our checkout day here at Poco a Poco in Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. So we'll be leaving for Manila later at lunch. Let's go! Anyway, for now, let's just have our breakfast. Gising na yung mga kasama ko, nandun sila sa labas. Tara.
Ayan, tama.
Okay, breakfast is served. And yes, we really enjoyed our breakfast. Yan, after dito, magpe-prepare na kami for checkout. Yan, konting photoshoot lang. Yan, we're prepared for checkout. And actually prepared na ako. Tapos may nauna lang umuwi sila Chini and family. Naiwan na lang yung family ni Annie, si Oliver, si Mia, and Jean, and Nina. So, we'll be traveling to Manila later at lunch. Let's go. We're leaving Poco a Poco and travel going back to Manila. Bye, Poco a Poco heading to Manila. Mag-lunch pa lang. In Harbor Point again. At dahil di pa kami nag-lunch, ayan, nag-aya muna sila dito sa Boteju. Mag-lunch muna before heading to Manila. Dahil wala pang available na long table for our group, ayan, nakaiwalay muna sila Annie and family plus Ovey. Dito kami nila Jean sa isa pang table with Mia and Nina. After a while, nailipat din naman kami sa isang long table na kasya kaming lahat. Kaya nag-enjoy rin kami sa lunch namin together. Ito ang aming naging lunch and some of our captured photos. After nito, balik na our biyahe na going back to Manila. As usual, nauna na naman ako matapos yan, yung iba kumakain pa. So, yan. Pagka lunch biyahe na talaga kami going back to Manila. So, we're just waiting for Ian. Pakyan. Then, proceed na kaming Manila. Traveling, going back to Manila. CR break lang talaga and we resume traveling going back to Manila. And approaching Bukawi Toll Plaza.
Ay, nasa siya sa takas Skyway, wala naman tugtog eh.
Skyway. Malapit ang Miguel.
Magsasandal si Ube para magka-picture. Kumakay.
Ayan, bumaba lang ako kala Ani sa Sampaloc din. Going back home na. Ayan, dito na ako malapit sa bahay dyan. Papasok. At dito ko na rin tatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa nang-subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you in my next vlog. Bye!